Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Day 6 Assembly. Chapter number 4, that is Suratul Nisa, verse number 1. Ya ayyuhan nasuttaqu rabbakumul ladhi khalaqakum min nafsin wahidin wa khalaqa minha زوجها وبث منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء واتقوا الله الذي تساءلون به والأرحام إن الله كان عليكم رقيبا. O mankind, fear your Lord, the one who created you from a soul single, and created from it its mate, and dispersed from both of them many men and women. And fear Allah, whom you ask with it, and the wombs. Indeed, Allah is over you, ever watchful. Okay? O mankind, fear your Lord, the one who created you. Means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling here to fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay? From a soul single. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking here about Adam alayhi salam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created all of us from a single soul, that is Adam alayhi salam, and created from it its mate, Zawja. Zawja is nothing but the wife of Adam alayhi salam, that is Hawa alayhi salam, and dispersed from both of them many men and women, as we all are children of Adam and Hawa, many men and many women. Okay? And fear Allah, whom you ask. We should fear Allah, whom we ask with it, and the wombs. And the wombs means the blood relation. Okay, we should keep the blood relations. Indeed, Allah is over you, ever watchful. Here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling He is watching you continuously. Over you He is ever watchful, means there is not a single time when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala doesn't know what we are doing. Okay, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is ever watchful. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.